Hello friends, in today's video we are going to take a look at the recording preparations. What to ensure before you start recording. Let's take a look.
Let us discuss recording preparation. While preparing to record, ask yourselves some questions. Is your recording material complete? Are the surroundings quiet? Any ambient sounds like fan, AC, etc.? Are all phones silent? Is your cell phone charging? What should be your distance from the recording device? And finally, some warm-up exercises. Reading material. Ensure that your reading material is complete. That is, check that all the pages are there and no page is badly scanned or unclear. Quiet atmosphere. You must ensure quiet time and a quiet place to read. Ambient sounds. Fan, AC, construction work nearby. These things are things that you don't have a control on, but these sounds in the background do affect your reading and they are very difficult to remove. Try to minimize them. Switching off phones. Phone rings, SMS beeps, WhatsApp message tones, they all appear in your recording and they are very difficult to remove. So your phones should be on silent mode or on aeroplane mode. Your phone should not be on vibrate mode because if it vibrates with an incoming SMS or WhatsApp, then the vibration is audible in your recording and it's not easy to remove. Phone on charging. If you are going to record on your cell phone, please make sure your cell phone is not charging while you record. If your phone is charging when you record, there will be a hum added to your recording and it will be difficult for the editor to remove it. The distance between you and your recording device decides if your recording is going to be clear or not, if it's going to be audible or not. If you use a mic close to you, for example on your collar or a mic like this on your earphones, then the distance matter is taken care of. But if you prefer to record into your recording device directly without earphones, for example on your phone or on your tablet, then take a look at this picture on the left. Our friend, another Yashovani volunteer, has kindly shared this picture with us. Sit at a table with your device on the table and read into the device mic. The last point, the warm-up voice and speech exercises. Let us talk about that in another video. Thank you for watching.
I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you find it useful. Please like, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get intimations of further videos. Thank you and bye-bye.